Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Pathfinder key battery. First, remove the mechanical key by sliding the release. Pry the fob seam gently with a flat screwdriver while holding the buttons to avoid popping the circuit. Lift out the old CR2032 battery with the cloth to avoid fingerprints. Note the battery orientation and press the new battery into place until it snaps. Reassemble the case and test the remote functions at the vehicle. Begin by sliding out the emergency key and setting it aside. Position a small flat screwdriver into the fob seam and twist gently to separate the halves without forcing them. Carefully lift the circuit board if needed and note the old battery orientation before removing it. Slide the new CR2032 into the battery well with the positive side up and press until you feel it click. Reassemble the fob and test lock-unlock. If your key fob still fails after battery replacement, try these checks. Confirm the battery is seated and oriented correctly and that the circuit board sits flat in the housing. Clean the contact pads with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to remove oil and corrosion. Test the fob near the vehicle doors to eliminate distance issues. If buttons feel mushy or the shell is damaged, consider replacing the fob housing or ordering a new unit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.